Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. I'm always live. I'm always here. I haven't got a life, it seems. My life is my family and community here online. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. I say channels because there are two in our family: the music, the money, and together all underpinned with love and commitment. And that way we can help more people and raise more money and do such good work around the world. That's what we're all about. Okay, let's get straight into the trades. What an afternoon we got lined up for you. Very, very exciting. And we've got a star guest on our show as well. One of the biggest YouTubers in the world is going to be live on my show today. Are you ready? Very exciting. Okay, so let's get straight into the trades and look at my position right now. Okay. This is GSK. It's been slowly coming up with a bit of a fear with litigation and being sued over a certain drug. It's very scary. So what do we think about this? This morning it was down all the way down to 33. It's up to 35 now. It's been going up. I decided not to get in at the moment. A lot of uncertainty. So I'm not in this one. I'm already in enough in the same space, which is, of course, Johnson & Johnson. So there you go. There is my position. Rio Tinto, been doing well all afternoon. Subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Over there on TikTok, good afternoon to you. Welcome to all of you. Our cash prize giveaway in the morning. For those of you that got involved, very exciting times. That's coming up in the morning. So look up for that one. Let me just improve the signal for you just a little bit on the screen. Let me just do that. There we go. Make it a little bit better for you. I just try to give everybody the best of everything, right? Because I'm just a nice bloke. Right, let me just do that, stick that there, and there you go. Is that better? That's better, isn't it? There you go. Even better. Got to make sure you get the best service here. Okay, let's get straight into it. Who was here before? Mike, Ali, Brickmark. Look at all the members today. We had a record number of members today. 5 members today joined in our show. That's not subscribers, that's members. Isn't that amazing? I'm twitched. There he is. US judge says Robinhood must face market manipulation claims over trading restrictions during the 2021 stock rally. Oh dear, oh dear. Is this a GameStop saga appearing up again? I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to be concerned about that at all. It's why I only have a small position in Robinhood though. So there you go. Ethereum. Very exciting times around Ethereum right now, and I'm looking at all the institutions getting involved now more and more with crypto. So I own 11 BSV. It's still Bitcoin, so I've got 11 Bitcoin on BSV. So this could be fantastic in the future. I'm holding it. I have my little bit of Bitcoin, not much, $300, but I'm up 23%. I'm waiting for it to go below 19. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It does, it does. Money's working elsewhere. But the big story is the number one altcoin, of course, is Ethereum. Looking very, very interesting. I'm up 73% on Ethereum right now. I know Dr. Nathan Smith will be very, very excited about that. Who can guess? I wonder if anyone can guess this afternoon. Which, I'm going to ask you now, big question, is on my show today. Okay. 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 Got a very exciting guest today on my show. Very, very exciting guest on my show today. All right, there you go. I bet you this will get everybody excited. Yep, which YouTuber is on my show today? Biggest YouTubers in the world on the crypto space. Who is it? Hey, who's on my show live today? Okay, Nasrullah Haidari. Hello, Nas. How are you? Paul B. We have a date for the ETF proof of stake merge, 15th to 16th of September. There you go. This is all getting very, very exciting now. Paul B is. You can tell the excitement. Hello, Martin, mate. How are you? Hello, mate. How are you? I just followed Zeb on his TikTok channel. He's following me, and I follow all my members. Remember, if you are a member or subscriber, I follow you back. Not just follow, engage, promote your videos, do all that stuff. All right, I get to work. 12 hours a day. I'm in here 10 hours a day, but I work 12 hours a day on all of this. I live and breathe it. Live and breathe it, I tell you. Live and breathe it. All right, GSK coming up quickly now. It was down 9%. It's gone up 3% right now. It's got a great dividend. Malvin Photography. Oh, he's back. Malvin's back. You're still not a member. Oh, Malvin is desperate to become a member of our channel, because when he does, I said to him this morning, if you out of blind faith become a member of my channel, I will do something wonderful for you, and you'll be so happy with me. You'll be absolutely thrilled to bits. You'll say Martyn Lucas is the best day trader, the best YouTuber in the world. And I don't know what's happened, but he wanted to become a member. He's not been able to, and I don't know why. We had 5 members join today, but Malvin says he can't do it. I don't know why. There's the link, Malvin. Use a browser. All right, let's see if he does it. Paul B, that Robinhood thing is bad. Yes, it is. That Robinhood thing is bad. Yes, it is. GSK is still coming back up. I haven't bought any because I'm already in the sector. And I weighed it all up. There is a fear that they could be in trouble. But you've got GSK. I mean, did you buy it today? There's litigation involved with the potential being sued over one of their products, possibly a link to cancer. But, these things can bring down a company. I haven't got shares in it. I was going to buy it this morning on this drop, and I was right on the button. And the reason why I didn't is because I'm already in the space with Johnson & Johnson. So, I can make it another way. Anyway, what happened marked Tesla and NASDAQ down 100 today? What happened that marked Tesla down today? Let's have a look. To be honest with you, nothing. People get really upset when the markets go down, then the markets go up, and it's all part of it. Tesla's down today because we've had some huge bounces over the last few months. Have a look. There you go. And there's profit taking. We've got the stock split around the corner, which is going to put the stock up. So people have sold out, drive it down, and take it up because they know the stock price is going to go up. So what do? You sell at the top, you drive the price down, you buy back again and do it again. It's called scalp trading. So I'm not surprised by this action at all. I still know it's going to be $1,000, $900 to $1,000 a share. I know the stock split's going to be good, so I'm not worried. Anyway, we're running a poll right now. Check it out. What happened in my dividend stock portfolio? Nah, bought them months ago. Oh, you bought them months ago. Okay. Was you interested today when it dropped 10% today? Allianz and these market exchanges need to follow rules, and they don't deserve to have their pants. Hey, hang on. These market exchanges need to follow rules, and when they don't, they deserve to have their pants pulled down. Paul B, I agree. I love it. You sock it to them. Paul and Ali. I love it. Okay, here we go. Rio Tinto. We're in now with the share price, with the dividends. Great. I've got 41. Going to be paid out soon. Lovely. And Vanguard S&P has just dropped, slightly red today. Virgin Galactic just dropped below 7 again. Naz, you're very welcome, Naz. No problem at all. Become a member. Here's an invitation to become a member. We had our record number of members today, by the way, 5. Very exciting. Virgin Orbit is trading sideways now. Tesla's going down. Who wants more crypto news? Yes, I do. I'm getting very, very excited about what's happening around Ethereum. Hopefully Arrival can get their finances in check. Yes, they are suffering. It is a bit like the early part of what happened to Tesla. They are struggling. Look, Arrival is down 14%. Am I buying it? No. Am I buying it? No. Because if they can't make money from this share price, they're never going to make money from this share price. I'm not chasing the stock down. I was up today. I could have bought it and rode it, sold it and bought it back. But I'm not going to. This could be a free fall now for a few days. I don't know how low it's going to go. And if it goes below, 90 cents and heads to 50, it could go bankrupt. So I'm not going to throw more money at it. I'm going to leave my money in though. I'm not going to, get out. I'm going to leave where it is and see what happens. Mike was a good call then a few weeks back. Yes, Mike, BTC, Paul, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic is up. Yes, all Bitcoin kind of follows each other. If you look at it, you've got BTC is going down 1.69 today, and BSV is actually doing better than that, actually. But they all kind of follow the same general plan. In fact, BSV is doing better than the others that I have got anyway. Anyway, we'd love some more crypto news. Paul B, you're the man if you want to call in. Let me open up the... This is my overall portfolio, by the way. Right now, we're down 2.51. Seb asked me earlier, what do I think my stock price would be at the end of the day? And I said, I expect to be green tomorrow, but today's going to be right on the wire, touch and go. I still believe that it will rise into the close. I overall said green. After I said red, I was like right on the line thinking, this is hard to call today. I don't know. We're having a sell-off afternoon. I think it will rise into the close. But anyway, we shall see where we end up. I'm looking at end phase energy right now. I don't know why. I was supposed to be sharing that. Oh no, I'm not. Beg your pardon. I am showing you the right screen. 2.47. Yeah. So anyway, what advice do you have for a young chap like me starting investing, currently in college and working? Well, where do we start, Logan? There's so much. There's so much to learn, and experience is the best thing. Hard work and dedication. Not wanting the world to be what you want it to be, but knowing what it is going to be is important. Having patience, understanding, taking your time, never chasing a stock, having no fear. And that's easier said than done. But to do that, you need to build the building blocks. You need to build the foundations first. So, what we could do for you, Logan, I could actually go through an entire plan for you. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do know how to make money, and I do know how to keep money. And I own my own home. I have no debt. I have no finance. I've toured 195 countries. What I'd like to do is if you called in via Discord, we could discuss it on air. As a young man, it'd be very nice to talk to you from the very beginning and see where you are and do a full breakdown of your finances. Find out what you've got, what you owe. You have to be fully honest with us, Tell us what you owe, how much debt you've got, and build a plan around what you've got, because everyone's situation is different. And if you call into the show, like the Dave Ramsey show, you can call in and we can help you. But to call in, you've got to come into Discord, because we phone in through Discord. Here is the Discord link. It's free to be on Discord. But if you want to call in via Discord, you do need to be a YouTube member. It is reserved for members, so we don't have idiots calling in, just so you know. Here's the invitation to join. You could call in, and we could spend we could have you on the show for 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes, go backwards and forwards in between the shares, discussing with you your situation and work out the best plan for you. I'd love to be part of that. That'd be awesome. All right, so if anybody wants to call in, you are very, very welcome. Right, who's going to be on my show today? Is it Cryptos Are Us? That's George. Meet Kevin, Elon Musk, or BitBoy? So far, everyone's saying Elon Musk. One of those four people is going to be on my show today. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Yeah, what's it? Rubber bullets. Something like that. Japanese Shinsei Bank has launched Bitcoin and XRP rewards programs for customers. That's very good. More and more news coming out all the time. Paul B is giving us great crypto news. I love the way he brings it to us. Brilliant. Brilliant. So there you go. Elon in a chicken suit. Did you see the video? Did anyone see Elon Musk in a chicken suit video? It's gone viral. It's gone viral all over Internet Mars. If you've been to internet, if you checked it, if you have Wi-Fi linked to Internet Mars, you will know that it's viral. It's viral on Internet Mars. Hello, Zeb, mate. How are you? All right, there you go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Martin, hi, good evening. I'm going for BitBoy. I'm going for BitBoy. Tesla's still falling down. My markets are all down today. I don't like it. It's rubbish. What's going on? Rivian, getting ready for the earnings tonight. Are you excited? We're doing Rivian earnings tonight. We're doing Rivian earnings tonight. And who's up for that? Who's up for that? I'm all ready to go with the Rivian earnings. Now then, if you've not tuned in to the Rivian earnings yet, you need to. We've got how many people have clicked the like button? 7. I'm on a mission right now. I want more than that. Can we get more than 7 likes? Can we get more than 7 likes on the Rivian? I think we should. You know what I'm saying? I think we should. I think it's absolutely imperative. I'm going to put everybody on TikTok on a 10-second pause. I've got to do this. You ready? Just bear with me. I've got to do this. I've got to pause you for a second. I don't know if can you hear me? Probably can't hear me either. But never mind. I've got to do a little pause. When I press this magic button, like that, I've pressed it. All right, you're back. You're back. There you go. I had to pause you for a second. I had to pause you for a second for a very good reason. All right, but I can't tell you what it is because it's a secret. Because who have I got on my show today? Cryptos Are Us, Meet Kevin, Elon Musk, or BitBoy? Who's on my show today? One of those people's on my show today. I love it. Oh, yes, I love it. All right. Okay. Subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. We got 14 likes. That's not bad, but it's not great. It's okay. So, we're getting very excited. My guest is waiting in the green room, waiting to come on. Who's it going to be? Cryptos Are Us, Meet Kevin, Elon Musk, or BitBoy? Does anyone know? I nearly said who it wasn't then. I'm not going to do that. I nearly dropped myself in it then. Right, so I'm going to give you the link now for the earnings this afternoon. We're doing Rivian earnings. We're doing Rivian earnings. And I want you to go there and leave a like on it because you haven't done it yet. Only 7 of you. That's not good enough, is it? Here's the link. This takes you to my secure website. Click on the link. See it there, look. There you go. And click on... Oops, you can't see it, can you? Click on this one here. Click on this one here, look. That's what you'll come up to. And it will bring you to the Rivian page. And we've got 7 likes. 7 likes. And look at that, folks. All-time record. Look at the members. Look at that. Oh, yes. Have you ever seen anything like it? It's a complete board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole board is lit up. Look at that. Boom. Get in. Right. 7 likes. We want to get at least 10. All right. We want to get at least 10 likes because we're all going to join in for the Rivian earnings tonight. It's going to be very, very good. Okay. Who's coming up in the show? Looks like Elon Musk has got number 1. Number 1. I love it. So you guys are going big time, right? Rio Tinto, Vanguard S&P trying to come back up again. Virgin Galactic. I sold today. I did a day trade. Oh, very exciting. I did a day trade today and I did, here it is. Not Enphase Energy. No, it wasn't that. It was Ginkgo Bioworks. Did you all see me trade 60 shares of Ginkgo Bioworks today? And I made $60. I made $1 a share exactly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy back Ginkgo Bioworks with my profit. And I'm going to get $60 worth of free shares of it. I'm up 5% right now. and it popped up 48% today, and I sold it at the top. I sold 60. There we go. We've got 7 likes. Mike's just come on in. Hello, Mike. 7 likes on the Rivian earnings. I bought Ginkgo yesterday, sold half today. Spot on, Mr. Sebdean. Spot on. Did you set a stop trailing order? So who's on my show today? Elon Musk, Cryptos Are Us, Meet Kevin, or BitBoy? You're going to love this. I tell you what, it's going to be a highlight of my show. It's going to be a highlight of my show. Live on my show today, I've got either BitBoy, Elon Musk, Meet Kevin, or Cryptos Are Us. Which one? All mega YouTubers. And obviously one of those is like a gazillionaire. You know what I mean? So which one is it? Who's one of those on my show today? So who is it? All right. Sold after it lost 10%. That's exactly what I did, and that's the perfect way to play it, though. I set a stop trading loss, and it could have kept running and running. Let me just get my camera in focus. There we go. It could have kept running and running. It was the right thing to do. When a stock pumps like that, don't just do a quick sale. Set a stop trail loss with a percentage. You might end up with a lot more. It just, you still make money, right? And if it's a stock you want to, keep, and you think, well, I wouldn't mind keeping it. But anyway, that's what I did. GSK is going up again. Big fear today about litigation. I'm holding out with it only because I've got Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson's really let me down today. Johnson & Johnson doesn't normally move like this. I was down 4%. I doubled up. And I went down 2%, and now I'm down 2. So I improved it, but now it's slipped back to 2.68. Still falling. I'm not going to buy any more, though. Oh, Logan Pizza has just become a bronze member. Hey, welcome, Logan. Look at that. Logan has just become a bronze member of our channel. Thank you very much indeed, Logan. Would everybody please welcome Logan in? So let's give Logan the full welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. Well, Piano Man, this is my TV studio. We've raised $1 million here in the studio. This is in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall, England. Let me give you a wave. Hello. All right, Logan, you can now, if you want to, you can make a request for a song live in the show. It's a members thing. If you give me a $10 super chat, if you want to, you can dedicate a song to someone live in the show. I will go back in the studio during a live show and perform a song. You'll also get the benefit of on your birthday for you, your whole family, the day before, the day of, the day after, you will have a birthday celebration. Okay, you can have that. So let me know when it's your birthday. For you, your family, the day before, the day of, or the day after. We do that to make sure it covers the weekend. You can also now access Discord, and you can call in live to the show, and we can answer your questions, and we can go through an analysis for you to help you. You said about, how do I get started in investing? And I would love to tell a young man what I know now at 53 years of age. I wish I'd known. Peter Wilson, thank you for the subscription. Thank you very much. So here is the Discord. If you go into Discord now, Logan, I will upgrade you because Discord is open for everyone, but members can see all the extra channels you can't see otherwise. So if you go into Discord, this is Discord right now. I will manually update you. Tell me who you are in Discord. It might take 10 minutes for you to get in because we have the highest level of security. Once you get in, tell me that's you, and I will upgrade you live on the screen. See, Marvin, that's how you become a member. We've got 5 today. Marvin's thinking, why can't I do it? I was going to do a special surprise for Marvin, but he hasn't been able to do it yet. Anyway, would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome our new member? I'm waiting in Discord to do that. There you go. C&V Studio Tom is waiting to upgrade you in Discord. Right, I'm going to open up the in broadcast. This is especially that now for our new member, Logan Pizza, who wants to call in and have his say on the show. And right, the broadcast lounge is now open. He's from Tampa, Florida. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and let everyone know where you're from? When you come into Discord, we'll upgrade you on the show. More crypto news. BlackRock's offer for clients on exposure to Bitcoin, including central banks and sovereign wealth funds. I like BlackRock and I like the institutions getting involved in Bitcoin now. Very, 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 very good. Like it. Like it a lot. Like it a lot. I think crypto is an important part of your portfolio. Don't get carried away. 5%. Because it's all becoming now a bit of a race to who can print the most money. And it will get out of hand where that's where Bitcoin comes in. That's what could drive Bitcoin to $1 million. I'm not saying you go out and put all your money on Bitcoin right now or Ethereum. Just have it as part of your portfolio. But wait for the dip. I think it's coming. Paul B is from Pyongyang in North Korea. Even though he sounds just like he comes from Manchester. Anyway... okay. We've got someone called Brible's just come in. I don't know if that's that is our friend Logan Pizza. I don't know if that's you, Logan. Let us know. Is that you? Could well be you. We don't know. That's why you need to confirm it live here in the in YouTube. All right. Okay. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. We've got our star guest coming on the show in a minute. Who is it going to be? Is it going to be... come on then, who's the mystery guest? That was 4 years ago. What was 4 years ago? That was 4 hours ago. Oh, was it? Oh, yeah, so it was. 10 o'clock. I can see it now. I'm getting told off here by Tom. Bloody hell, Tom. What's going on here? That was 4 hours ago. All right, then. Rob Brennan, Renatus OF Von Touré. Hey? Rob Brennan? Oh, I see. You think the star guest is Rob Brennan? No. Right. I will tell you in a minute who our star guest is. I won't need to tell you. They'll just come on. They're waiting in the green room in a special secure location. Cryptos are us. Meet Kevin, Elon Musk, or BitBoy. So who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Tesla still falling at the moment. Rivian. Now then, we've got the earnings after hours for Rivian. By the way, folks, are you ready? I keep asking you to click on the link on my blog so I can get you to get into the live shows so we can rank on Google and rank on YouTube and all those wonderful things. It's a crypto guy. Martin's in for a hiding. I'm good. If it's a crypto guy, Martin's in for a hiding. Oh dear. Is that the old green room? I still have access to that one. No. It's another place, Tom. You've got no access to this. No access to it whatsoever. Nobody has. Apart from our star guest. Anyway, so here we go. So click on that link, and that will bring you to here. And I'm going to share with... I'm excited. Stuff's starting to happen today, folks. Our channel is gaining momentum all the time. All right, here we go. Look, it will bring you to here. We've now got 7 likes. 7 likes. That's rubbish. We should have at least 10. Everyone click on that link. Go to the Rivian earnings and leave a like on the video. We should have at least 10. Because despite you not helping me out, despite you not getting involved, despite all of that, I want to show you something very good. You know I ranked #1 in the world for SPCE stock. Remember I told you that? If you Google SPCE stock, I rank #1 in the world. Well, guess what? Guess what, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I now rank #1 in the world on YouTube for arrival earnings. Right, there's arrival earnings. If you type arrival earnings in incognito, I come up the first 2, but that's not what the important part is. Oh, there I am again. Look here. Top channels for this search term. Get in. Ladies and gentlemen, #1 spot. Some guy you might have heard of called the Day Trader. Get in. We now rank for 2 search terms #1 on YouTube. That's what I'm talking about. Not arrival earnings, Martyn Lucas. Don't cheat. Not arrival earnings, a day trader. No, just arrival earnings. There you go. Yay. Look at that. Best YouTube channel in the world. If you're not part of this, if you're not subscribing, that's a fake account. It's not a bloody fake account. It's bloody youtube.com. YouTube.com. Look. Look, I might even do it live. I'll do it live and see if it does it again. When you first come in on the search term, it varies a little bit. Yep, see, I just refreshed it. I'm still number one. See? See? I'm still number one, and I just refreshed it live. So I do it again. Arrival earnings. Look, it refreshed it, and I'm still number one. So get out of it, you and your fake accounts. Mr. Pyongyang. My Discord, right, okay. Let's, Tom, can you take care of our guest today? Mr. Logan. I can see him. I can see him there, look. This is you, innit? This is you. This is you, live on the screen. There you go. Tom's going to make you a member now of the channel so you can see all the channels and you can call in. And if you go over to here, look, in the broadcast lounge, you can call in. You can call in and ask questions, and you could be on the show, and we can break down your... you can put a question to me about your finances, and we'd love to help you, all right? So there you go. You can call in. Logan, Grandma's Beef Balls. I know, it's a name and a half, isn't it? I mean, I don't know if I should let him on the show. But anyway, there you go. Grandma's Beef Balls, you are now a member of the Day Trader YouTube channel, and you can call in. All right, you can call in and have your say. If you want to call in and put your question directly to me, and all of our investors and traders around the world can listen in and add their penny worth too. Mind you, I wouldn't listen to most people here. I wouldn't listen to most people. Anyway, you can call in. Virgin Galactic Holdings. Virgin Galactic Holdings is down 0.64, but going back up again. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, still falling down. I'm up 21%. Am I going anywhere? No, I'm not. Rivian, we got the earnings tonight. As it shifted, as it moved, we got 7 likes. That's all. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. Now, don't forget, Logan, as well as everything else, not only will you get replies to your comments, I will follow you on social media. So if you go to the all links button, I will follow you on TikTok, YouTube, all those things. I follow all my members and subscribers and help you grow, reply to all your questions and so on. Right, guest time, come on. I want to see you suffer. That's nice. That's nice. That's why you don't need enemies in this world. You just need a load of friends who give you a hard time. That's all you need. Arrival still falling. It's all the way down to 140 now. Yeah, it's going to do this now for another week or so. It will come back though, but for a week I would expect. Their earnings today was quite scary. They're running out of money. So don't chase it. Don't throw money at it. But there you go. Anyway, I'll keep my eye on it. If Logan calls into the show, I will have him on the show. You don't have to do it today. If you want to call in another day, you can. What is Arrival? Arrival is a company that makes electric vans, delivery vehicles. Got a deal. It's backed by BlackRock. It's got a deal with UPS. But unfortunately, the earnings today fell short because of supply constraints, not as expected. But the company are doing things, micro factories in a very unique way, minimal parts, very much like not Ginkgo Bioworks. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Gove Canoe. Very much the same. Their earnings fell off and they rose back up again. Same thing. Minimal parts, building EVs in a whole new way. So there you go. Frank Pullman, Canoe. Yes, indeed. Very much like it. Very much like it. And they are a bit short of money though. So I'm not going to chase the stock. I'm going to let it come to me. I'm down 15% now. I was up significantly. But there you go. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to throw any more money at it. If it does go bankrupt, I will lose $800. No more. But hopefully it'll do well. I believe it will 10x. A lot of people are concerned because it has a Russian CEO, but he's all good. No one's got any problems with him at all. SpaceX denied nearly 900 million in broadband subsidies. SpaceX denied nearly 900 million in broadband subsidies. What does that mean exactly? Here's Caden Youngquist. Good video, by the way, Caden. Your production's getting better. I like it. Anyway, Canoe recovered very nice after earnings call, which was not that bad. It wasn't that bad. It's, you know, it's just like Virgin Galactic. New companies are spending money building their infrastructure, and that's what Arrival are doing. And they're doing it at a time with price hikes and inflation and everything else. So it's a difficult time. I'm not bailing on companies that are having a hard time setting up. You know, we've all done it. We've all been there. Canoe recovered, very nice. HVCW Volspike, that's from Raymond Sanchez. Thank you. Yes, I like it, Caden. I see how you're growing all the time. Maybe they don't pay the broadband. Renatus, yeah, they've not paid their bill. They've got a bloke coming around in a chicken suit saying, "Oi, Elon, sort your life out." Anyway, okay, it's time to... We got our star guest coming on now. So we're going to do a quick commercial break, get my star guest ready, and bring him on. Is it Elon Musk live on the show? Do we have Cryptos Are Us, Meet Kevin, or BitBoy live on the show? It said you voted Cryptos Are Us as 35% has a vote at the moment. All right, okay, let's do it. Some experts also believe investors should consider getting more aggressive and buy more stocks. There you go. Buy more stocks. What do you think? I've got enough. Some experts say you should buy more stocks. We can't buy shares in SpaceX. You can't buy shares in SpaceX unless you're talking about the subsidiaries that supply the company. But there's no shares in SpaceX directly. You can just buy shares of companies that support SpaceX, providing equipment and services and so on and so forth. Right. Okay, day trader of the day. We're getting ready for our big event tonight. It is, of course, the earnings for Arrival. We're going to be there. I'm ranking number 1 on Arrival earnings tonight. It's Rivian earnings. Okay, let me do a quick commercial break. Be right back in 10 seconds. Here we go. All right. Okay, good stuff. We are back in the house. Make sure that you're up to date and live. Make sure you're up to date and live with us. Wow, look at this, folks. My numbers are absolutely exploding today. Oh, absolutely. Let me share. Look at this, guys. Look at the YouTube channel. It's going up every day. My subscribers in the last month did what I did in the previous 6 months. So, Caden, as a YouTuber, this is what happens. If you keep going and you keep delivering the right content, my subscribers this month is what I did. So, in the last 30 days is what I did in the last 6 months. There you go. It's really starting to accelerate now. It was only 5 seconds. I know. I always undersell and overdeliver. Right. So the government pulled $900 million of credit. I'm unsure. SpaceX was awarded in December, citing the fact that its satellite-based service is still developing technology, and the company failed to demonstrate that it could not deliver the promised service. Are you talking about Starlink? I think you're getting confused here. You're talking about SpaceX. Do you mean Starlink? Very, very different company. Starlink is the internet. I think you might be talking about that. I don't know. We might be talking about different things here at the moment. Anyway. Okay. Right, star guest time. We just grown again another 20 subscribers, 4,276, gaining speed all the time. I love it. Right, now then, you might have realized that on the day trader that we are number 1 about people, but mainly entertainment, right? Paul B, entertainment, all right? The crypto experts, no one's a crypto expert, are they? Does anybody actually live inside the computer of a crypto machine? No one actually does. Does anyone actually know what's really going to happen in the future? No. Does anyone tell you they do? Yeah, loads of them. Loads of YouTubers tell you stuff like that. Well, I've got a YouTuber here today who is one of the biggest YouTubers in the crypto space. So that puts Elon Musk out of it. So it's not Elon Musk, and it's not Meet Kevin either. Right, and I noticed last night, I thought, hey, hang on a minute, you've been watching my show, Mr. Beep, beep, beep. I won't tell you his name yet. So who's it going to be, BitBoy or Cryptos or Us? And I said, hang on a minute, you've changed the look of your show. You've made it look a bit like mine. You've got some fancy lights. You haven't done that before. And And you've pinched my catchphrase. I can't believe it. I said, you come on, you got, you know, see, you get all these people, look, they're not entertainers, and then they see a guy entertaining and they think, hang on a minute, we need to make it entertaining. We need to have a catchphrase. We need to have a way to communicate with the audience. We need to make it look a little bit wow and spectacular. So I noticed this and I thought, hello, hang on a minute, what's going on here? So, ladies and gentlemen, live on my show, with my very own catchphrase, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it's happening. Really, honestly, I can't believe it's happening. You know, pinching my own catchphrases. It's really not on. But anyway, never mind. With my own catchphrases. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, waiting in the wings for a very special appearance. I just wanted to hear the very catchphrase, and you might go, hang on a minute, I've heard that before. And when he says it, you can tell it's the first time, and he's thinking, this doesn't really fit my show. I don't normally say this. Are you ready? It's only a quick burst. Ladies and gentlemen, here's George from Cryptos R Us, nicking my catchphrase and my light setup. You ready? Here we go.
Good morning, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell.
There you go. Did you see that? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and the fancy lights. Do it again.
Good morning, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell.
There you go. Cryptos are us. There we go. There's George. Now, George, if you saw this, mate, you've got to call into my show because you've obviously got you've added some lights to your show. I wonder where you got that idea from. But no one will ever do it better than this studio. No one's got lights like this studio. I spent 30 years working in theatre. Well, that was poo. Well, there you go. Well, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, Paul B. These guys have got millions of subscribers. Right? They're not going to come on my show just yet. Right? This is the beginning. You got to sow the seeds. You got to sow the seeds. Sow in the seeds of love. Sow in the seeds of. Sow in the seeds of. Got to sow the seeds. Got to sow the seeds. Paulie baited us. I know. Unbelievable, isn't it? Unbelievable. I think that's called clickbait, isn't it? Well, it can't be called clickbait because you were already here. So technically, it's not clickbait, is it? Anyway, I thought that was fun. It's not a fake account. It's not a fake account. I got it off his channel. I got it off his channel. It's not a fake account.
Like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell.
I got it off his channel today.
Good morning, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. Smash.
There you go. See? That's real. That's genuine. Back ordered, fake account. If I shorted, how much trouble am I in? Wesley, you're in no trouble whatsoever. I let you do it. You remember, otherwise I will get upset with you. Yeah, let me end the poll a minute. Anyway, most of you guessed. Listen, guys. If I've got a real celebrity on my show, if I got a real post a link, I will. Oh, you mean to his channel? It was last night's video. Just go on Cryptos R Us. It was last night's video. Oh, look, I can't believe I got to do this, right? Unbelievable. I'm too nice. It's called being too nice. There's a problem in me being too... in fact, I can't, can I? Yes, I can. What are we talking about? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Hello and welcome from Italy. How are you? Did our friend call in? Does he want to call in? Cryptos are us. Cryptos are us. There you go. Meet George. Here he is. Now then, where was it? Was it last night, wasn't it? 5 hours ago. Was it 5 hours ago or 17 hours ago? I think it was 17 hours ago. It was last night I watched it. Right, I'm going to get it up. Enough of you. Here we go.
Welcome back to Cryptos R Us. I'm George. Real good, guys.
I'm bringing it up now. I've got it here. Here, look. See, I want to show you, look. Because you skeptics out there, unbelievable. Here's his channel, look. I've just typed it in, all right?
if you haven't
See?
noticed, is pumping hard.
See his lights?
Closing in at 1900. Right.
Here comes the
before
catchphrase.
its big merge. So also, let's take a look at Ethereum and what it is.
Come on, George, do it now.
All right. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified of all my streams.
Come on, George.
Follow me on social media. Check out cryptostrust.com. And, of course, check out my brand new channels. Good morning, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. Wherever you may be.
See?
It doesn't matter what time.
Unbelievable.
Things are.
See? You didn't believe me, did you? Right, enough of that nonsense. I've given him a big enough plug. I'm not doing it anymore. He's changed his entire set, added the lights, and he uses my catchphrase now. I was hoping for you to take an ear bashing on it. Oh well, I'll do it myself. Yeah, you can do it. You calling in then, Paul B? LOL. Nas, see, everyone's pinching my catchphrases now. There's big YouTubers, and I study every detail of everyone. And they're all starting to pinch stuff from my show now. The Head Move Man, the Church of Logic. The Head Move Man? What does that mean, the Head Move Man? What does that mean? All right, okay. Now then, we're coming up to the closing bell. We've got the big one tonight, the Rivian earnings. It's going to be really quite dramatic, I think. I'm very excited about it. Let's look at Rivian stock price right now. Let's look at Rivian stock price. Rio Tinto, Vanguard S&P, Virgin Galactic's coming back up. Now, I all said to you that we'd rise into the close. Well, we are. The way is head moved. Oh, I see. The Head Move Man. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Tesla is going down. Rivian is up 3.8 tonight. There's Rivian right now. Lucid is going down. Polestar. We've just got a pump on Polestar. Anybody in Polestar right now? Just got a pump on it. Arrival is still falling. Still falling. Still falling, still falling. Are you chasing the stock? I wouldn't do that if I was you. If you want to buy more, if you think, all right, I want to buy more, I am down 14% and I thought I bought it low. I know I bought it low. You've probably got another 24 hours. I think in tomorrow. Maybe now because it's Friday tomorrow, sell-off Friday. Might be on Monday. It will probably reach bottom. I think it's going to come back up again. This might be a bottom for it over the next 24 hours. Watch it. You might go, all right, I want to put $100 into Arrival, so I'll do 50 now. I'll do another 25 and another 25 as it goes down. That's what you might want to do if you're not in it and you've not got any exposure to it. But quite honestly, you can do the same thing with Gove, Canoe, and they've already gone past the hump. They've already got the customers. But then so does Arrival. They have the customers with UPS. They've got the backing. It's just that they're running out of money, and Canoe doesn't have that problem. So that is a bit of an issue right now. But, interest rates going up, the cost of borrowing going up. It's not ideal. But the product is great, and they've achieved what they wanted to set out to achieve. Have messaged Cornwall Air Ambulance and waiting the logo and event number. Very, very nice, Tom. Thank you very much indeed. All right, 15th of October, it's our convention in the UK. If you want to come and join us, Tom's doing the DJ. Is Sam here? Sam might be doing some Elton John songs. We've got Ali Isles, we've got Ali Tisrow, Tom, myself, Alicia, Patricia, several others, all going to be there. If you backed the project for Kickstarter, you can come for free. If you didn't back the Kickstarter, it's $50 or $50 as a super chat, and you'll be sent information for the party. And it's a get together, our annual, maybe annual. I don't know. It's the first one. The first get together, a global get together of the day traders around the world. Very, very exciting for it. Okay. Let's wrap up this show then, because we've got the Rivian earnings, which starts in 1 hour and 10, and we like to be there early to get the audience, because we are ranking for it. We want to make sure that we hold that and get everybody tuned in. All right, I've got the Rivian earnings all ready to go. Rivian is going up at the moment. But anyway, let's get back to our main portfolio and have a quick look at where we are. The first annual party. Hey, hope so. Hope so. Ray Thomas, it's in the UK. It's going to be in the UK this year. So 15th of October. Thank you, Jacob, for your subscription. Appreciate it very much indeed. This is my portfolio right now. We're starting to rise into the close. I said red at first, and then I was like, well, maybe it could turn green. It's right on the wire. It's too close for me to call. It's too close for me to call. But we are rising into the close. I don't know how close it's going to get. The market feels muted today. After the pump, after the CPI, everyone's a bit muted. Like the people are tired. What are we doing with the market? Where are we going? GSK today presented itself with a bargain if you think that this litigation is going to go away. Time to sleep. See you all soon. See you later, Tom. Tom. See you later. Just before you go, Tom, just to let you know that this Sunday, it's the newsletter is sponsored by the Queen of Self-Braiding, and then there's a break in between. It might be Caden. I'm not sure. And then the week after is Ali Tisro. So if anybody wants to book next week's, not this Sunday, but the following Sunday, it's $10 right now, and you can sponsor with a super chat. You can sponsor the newsletter, and you can then have your link to your website or your YouTube channel or your business with a picture and a line of information. Okay, there you go. If you want to do that. Right then, the SEC has launched an investigation into hedge fund Melvin Capital Management. Paul B, breaking news, Paul. Paul B, you need to be like the breaking news man. You really do. Like, you know, and here's on the breaking news right now is Paul B coming from in the field. Let's go to Paul B over there in blah, blah, blah land. And he's got some breaking news. You need to be like a little man on a microphone and, you know, like a little camera and come on in. It'd be brilliant. You could do that, you know, through Discord. You could just come in like a 10-second news bulletin. You could have a little microphone, a little put a phone, put the iPhone on you and just go, Paul B, SEC has launched investigation to hedge fund Melvin Capital Management. And I could go, thank you very much, Paul. And we could do that. It could be kind of good, couldn't it? Nothing going to happen to Melvin. They are some real hash bands. I'm not quite sure what that means, but anyway, great, Tom. Can't wait for Cornwall party. Alicia and Patricia are going to be there. All the politicians got their hand in Melvin. There we go. Right. We are rising into the close. We're 1.84 down now. 1.84. It's rising. So keep an eye on it. Paul B, need a Sherlock Holmes hat and pipe. Hey, hang on a minute. When did you ever see a news reporter come on dressed up as Sherlock Holmes? That's not one of the best ideas you've ever had, I've got to say. See you soon, Logan Pizza. Don't forget, Logan, take advantage of all your benefits. Call into the show. Don't forget, you can have a birthday party for you or your family. Make sure you comment on my videos. I'll reply to you. And there's many, many perks. Have you got the newsletter for this Sunday? Make sure that you've got that as well. All right, make sure you take advantage of all the perks and benefits. All right. But he's a detective of crypto. Oh, I see. He's a detective of crypto. All right. Okay, as predicted, as you can see, we are rising into the after hours. It's getting close. I said it will be close. Probably, I said green, but it's going to be right on the wire. I don't know how close it's going to get. It's down 1.74, 1.73. It's getting close. I don't know how close. We've got another 5 minutes to go. We shall see how it ends up. It's pretty close, but, you know, it's not there yet, is it? All right. Okay. Right, let's go back to Rivian right now, and let's look at our crypto as well. We're keeping our eye on Ethereum, and we're keeping our eye on Bitcoin. I still say that once Bitcoin hits 20, 25, 26, it will crash down. And once Ethereum, once the news comes out about the merge and the upgrade to the network, it'll boom and then drop. I mean, that's just what I think is going to happen. I think people will take money because no one's got any money. And if people suddenly see money, they'll sell it. They'll drop it like a ton of bricks. And then it will rinse out, and then the real growth will come. That's when the real growth will come. And all these institutions that are getting involved, they're getting the stock warmed up, they're getting the asset class warmed up, and I think it's coming. But I might be wrong, but I think it's not quite there yet. I think it's on the way. We'll wait and see, though. All right? Okay. We're at 1.88, 1.87. That's down. Right, we got day trader of the day. We've got the close of bell. I'll see you at Rivian. Look forward to seeing you there, Logan. I'll see you at Rivian. Love it. Did you already click like and leave a comment? I hope you did. I hope you did. All right. Awesome stuff. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, Discord. I'm on Discord right now. Paul B. We've got Paul B in the show this afternoon in Discord. All right then, Paul B. Let me have a little quick chat with Paul B. We got Paul B on the show this afternoon. Let me unmute Paul B. Let me unmute him. And we'll bring him live into the show. Okay. Paul B, you are live on the show. Welcome to the show. How are you this afternoon?
I'm okay. Video call, by the way, I think.
Are you? You're on video call. Yeah. You've gone all posh on me, right? You've gone all posh.
I think I have.
There he is. This
will be the first time.
The first time we're going to get to see your face, right? There he is. Paul B in the house, everybody. Check him out. This is the guy who calls into the show. Now you know what he looks like, right? There he is, watching me on the telly. Look at that. Like all the lights around the telly as well. Paul B. We're getting excited.
How you doing?
How are you, mate? Love to have you here.
I'm okay. I'm good. I thought I'd call in. I was going to use my AirPods, but I've got an issue with my AirPods. It's doing me head in. The charger case just won't charge one of the pods. It's driving me nuts.
Yeah.
So I thought I'm just going to video call. It's just easier.
Yeah.
Just hang on there. But yeah, you baited us big time with that. You know, that's so annoying. I was so looking forward to you getting a bit ear bashing. It was. I had a massive smile on my face as well.
You got to have a laugh now and again, Paul. You got to have a laugh, mate.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, to be honest, that's the first time I've even seen that person. I didn't even know who he was.
Yeah, he's a big YouTuber. He's a big guy.
I don't watch him. I don't watch them. Half of them just
this channel. Just this channel, right?
Well, yeah, I do obviously pay attention to you. I'm a moderator, so I have to feel obliged.
It's your responsibility. It's your responsibility, Paul. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Have you been finding some of the stuff coming through interesting?
I have. I'm really feeling now that you can start to feel it. The more you read, the more you understand. Just listen and read between the lines. You can really feel that, you know, crypto is coming of age. You can really feel the time is coming, and especially now. I'm looking also at the Fed, and I'm also looking at other countries, the way they're printing money, and it's like a race to print money. And I think that there's going to come a time when that's all going to get out of control, and that's one of the benefits to crypto, isn't it? You know,
yeah,
with inflation. So. I think I still believe, though, and I might be wrong. I still believe that we're going to have this great news coming up very soon with Ethereum, and then we're going to see people, because people are desperate to make money. So many people have lost money in crypto. They're going to sell it. They're going to go, I'm out. I've made 50%. I mean, I'm up 74% on my $1 of Ethereum, right? Well, if you'd had $1,000 there right now, you're thinking, I've got $700 here. I'm going to sell it and I'm going to get my money back, and then it's going to crash. It's going to rinse everything out, and then we'll have the real first proper takeoff of crypto, in my opinion. But I might, I don't know. I might be wrong.
I mean, I'm in an ETC group on Telegram now. I know you don't like Telegram, and I really just do it for more observation purposes. And the merge is going to go one or two ways. I think you'll get the pump, which it's already pumping anyway.
Yeah. And
then inevitable drop, or it's just going to keep going. And even with Bitcoin crashing, I think Ethereum might actually stay quite strong. You know, it's looking. There was a time. Strong.
Yeah, there was a time I would have said, and I don't know if you'll agree with me, but most crypto, not all, as you know, there's many projects, right? But Ethereum, Bitcoin, it tended generally to follow it. It kind of followed a pattern. That's separated now, isn't it? I mean, Ethereum is really doing its own thing, because it is the number one altcoin. I've learned that from you and other things. But it does really look like it's taking off. Now, is it just a pump and dump? Well, we'll find out soon, but
Well, we'll find out with the merge. I mean, the test nets have all gone successfully well, so the dates are now there now, the 15th and 16th of September. So
yeah,
one would assume it's going to go through with no issues, and once that happens, it becomes environmentally friendly for a start,
Yeah.
Ethereum, but then the miners will go to ETC. So I mean, we can predict things all we want, but we're not going to know until it happens, really.
no, that's right.
And days after it, but it's looking strong, and it's not like it's pumping 50-60%. It's gradually going up.
Yeah,
And that's
good.
That's better.
That's a good
It's
thing.
a better. Yeah, that it's not going rocketing off like a ship, because then people will go, you get the FOMO and all that rubbish. It's been a steady incline now for a couple of weeks, because you've noticed me in the chat been going on about ETC for the last couple of weeks, and Mike's been watching it. I think he's bought some of it as well, and it's been steadily going up, and that's on the news of the miners moving across. And I was meant to put it in the chat about a week ago. There's I'll get the name of the firm. They've pledged $10 million already to mining projects on ETC.
How heavily, and feel free not to answer, that's fine. I know I share all my my financial situation with everyone, because I need to, because that's my show. And if you can't, that's fine. But if you can, and feel free to answer any way you want to, but how heavily are you invested in crypto? How much are you really in? You don't have to give a number if you don't want to, but how much is it of your portfolio, and how much have you put into crypto right now?
It's 100% my portfolio.
Right, you're all in.
I'm all in on crypto. At the moment, going more with the next drop. I've got, I'd say, about $3 to $5 grand invested across coins.
Yeah.
And then NFTs as well.
Yeah. Is that a big part of your personal wealth, or is it a small part? So the reason why I asked that is, if you're a gazillionaire and you put $3 grand in, that's very different than a guy who's got 10 grand in his pocket who puts in 3. He's putting 30% of his entire wealth.
Yeah, see, I've gone with crypto because obviously when I went in, I was new, and if I'd gone head first, I would have lost a lot of money. Right. So I kind of started watching more videos, and I bought bits here and there, and it's just built up over time. Right. That's one of the things I'd probably say to a lot of people with it is, don't go head first. No. Because you will lose. You will lose. 100%. You've got to build on crypto. I think stocks, like you went quite heavily in, and you know the companies. With crypto, the top 100, there's good companies in there, but it's still very volatile. And my experience now has been 2 years. My NFT side of things has been the last 3 months, and I currently hold 50 NFTs on my DeFi.
Okay.
So, yeah, but I am thinking of looking at stocks when Robinhood comes to the UK, because I like the idea of that wallet, taking the crypto offline as well. So I'm keeping it up. I mean, I've got crypto.com exchange, the DeFi. I use Binance. There's another one I use as well. There's something else I use. I can't remember the name of it, but I've got, I use multiple wallets, so and exchange.
So, Paul,
have it all.
Eh?
It's best not to have it all in the one place. That's for sure.
No,
you need to split it as well.
No, my belief is, if you are all in on crypto, and you love, if you love Bitcoin or you love Ethereum, just buy the actual coin itself and own the Bitcoin itself. For me.
Yeah.
Rather than owning a gold mine, own the gold.
I will say to you though, and I don't own Bitcoin, and I've said this to you many a times, I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin, and the main reason for it is because of all the idiots around it. Now, there's idiots around a lot of the coins. Oh, it's going to do this, going to do that. And that's not me. I like to research it, read about it, see if it's got good utility. Can I use it to pay for things? Does it have other options? Can you stake it? Can you earn on it? And Bitcoin doesn't do any of that.
No.
Doesn't do it.
Okay.
Let's prove me wrong. I've not seen what I can pay for things with Bitcoin or buy my NFTs with Bitcoin. I think you can do it with Ethereum.
Yeah.
But I just hold it.
Yeah.
My main coin that I'm flexible with is the CRO because of the exchange, the DeFi, and the things you can use with the coin. You can also go through other financial assets and do the liquidity with the staking options, which is on the likes of VVS Finance, which you can then stake CRO and convert it to another coin and hold it in a APR pot, if you will, and then obviously others can join in and it builds up the pot. And then in the end, when you withdraw it as that new coin that you've paid into.
Okay.
So there's lots of options with crypto.com. That's why I've been saying to you, you need to really look at it because this Kronos network is flipping massive and it's only getting bigger.
Folks, we are running out of time. Would anybody like to put a question to Paul? You hear what he's saying. He's very vocal and very optimistic about crypto, certain crypto anyway. He shares all his thoughts in the chat. Would anybody like to put a comment? Ray Thomas, we literally got about 2 minutes because I've got to end and get ready for the Rivian earnings. Ray Thomas has mentioned Solana crypto. He hasn't put a question, just put that comment.
I see that to him. They're doing the I think it's the mobile side of things, Solana as well. So your mobile phone for Web3. It's good. It's good. I won't go saying everything because I know everything about Solana because I don't. But there's things on Solana that I've seen that's very promising. And again, it's way up there in the top 100. So it's a project well worth looking at.
Yeah.
That mobile side of things as well is. Yeah, it's really good. It'll eventually, if they get it right, you could see them taking on the likes of O2 or EE as they are here, the mobile companies. I don't know what they are in America, but I think that will be the ultimate game if that's the direction they're going to go. Is that.
Brilliant. Well, Paul, thank you for taking the time.
Right.
Peter Maycock says, great to put a face to a name. The only thing is, Paul, you've completely blown your cover. Pyongyang isn't going to wash anymore, is it?
I don't know, it's Far Eastern country or something. It feels like that at the moment. It's bloody roasting outside.
Yeah, I know. It's scary. Yeah, and that's a trouble. A lot of people in America don't realise, because obviously I'm from Cornwall. I've got a house in Cornwall. We don't have air conditioning. You probably haven't got air conditioning in your house, have you?
Yeah, you open the doors and the windows.
Exactly, which is nice when it's 20 degrees centigrade, a normal British summer, but not like this.
I'm going down to Cornwall for a week in September, actually. I'll go and knock on your house and see if you've got any mail. Yeah,
that's right. See if you can get down there on 15th of October for the party. But that'd be awesome to have you there. It really, really would. Buy you a pint. And but as many people have mentioned, they've got to pay $50 to buy me a pint.
That expensive pint.
I know. Can you believe it? This is what
it's
happened.
one expensive pint.
I know. This is what happens, you see, when you become a legend on YouTube. You can charge $50 for people to come and see you in person. It's amazing, isn't it?
I think the pints are sent in the Discord chat the other week. They were £8 just for them two. What a joke.
Brilliant.
What a joke.
Fantastic.
Right. I'll jump on, was it Rivian or Arrival? What are we watching next?
Rivian's next. Rivian's next.
Okay,
Pay attention, Paul. Come on, mate. You're one of the moderators.
Honestly, there's so much going on. My phone's always red hot. My battery's on fire.
We wouldn't expect anything less, mate. Hey, seriously, Paul, all joking aside, you know most of what I say is a bit of fun and a joke. Seriously, I really appreciate you spend so much time as part of this family. It's an honour to be doing this. We started with nobody watching like a year ago. I was sitting here talking to myself. And now we've got such a wonderful community that everyone watches every day. Everyone's a member. It's an honour, and it's wonderful to have you as part of that family and, you know, part of the network of friends, and it really is. It gets me out of bed every morning to be here with all you guys. So, Paul, thanks for taking the time to call in and being part of it every day. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, it's fine, no worries. The one thing I will say is I don't know everything, and I never claim that I will, but I'll try my best to answer whatever I can and put information across people to take what they will with it.
And do you know
that's
what, Paul? Do you know what, Paul? That's better than most professional analysts you'll hear on, the main news networks, because I've sit and watched them hours a day, believe it or not, in between all my breaks, late at night, early in the morning. I research, and you'll hear the top people in the financial world sitting on a panel on a TV show, all disagreeing what they should be in and what they shouldn't be in, and they all have ulterior motives of what they're promoting and so on and so forth. Us guys, we're just regular guys coming on here, telling you what we've learned and telling you what we believe with our own real money. And the money we have is all the money we have. It means more to us. We don't have banks of money just sitting the side. So
No.
your experience and your words, and hopefully mine, are probably more valuable than the average guy on the telly who gets paid to promote whatever. So we appreciate it.
Yeah, I won't con anyone. If I don't know, I'll just be honest.
Just say you don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I'll
try and go and find out from someone or something like that. There's no skin off my nose. That's fine.
Brilliant.
Yeah, I'll jump on this next video now.
Yeah, you might as well. I mean, this is your entire life. Let's be honest. This is all we do, isn't it? This is all we do.
Well, I'm not at football yet, so you're all right. You can carry on watching.
Brilliant. Paul, once again, mate, thanks for calling in. You're an absolute legend, and everyone loves you and appreciates you so much. Cheers, mate. There we go. There's Paul B, everybody. What a legend. What a great bloke calling into the show, being part of it. Right, we've got to wrap up the show because, of course, we've got a big earnings tonight, of course. A big earnings. It's a very, very important night. That's coming up in just a few minutes' time. We're just going to shut down the broadcast lounge. Let's get that shut down a minute. I'll close that down. There we go. That's done. All right, brilliant. Let's wrap up the show. There's Paul B. Would everyone please give some love to Paul B and for taking the time to research our crypto investments and support the channel and watch it all the time. It's absolutely brilliant. Okay, very, very quickly then, guys. Let's do day trader of the day very, very, very quickly. Let's we need to close with a quick commercial break. Literally 5 seconds. Skip the ad. Let's come back. Day trader of the day, and let's get ready for earnings. Here we go. Back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, church accent more scouse than mank. There we go. All right, we're back now. Let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. It is rising. Like I said, it's down 1.87. It's trying to push up to 1.86. But anyway, there it is. Let me go into the live chat now and share it with you. Down 1.87%. There we go. Let's see who wins the day trader of the day today. Thanks, Paul. Peter Maycock says, thanks, Paul. Thank you very much, guys. All show some love to Paul, please, guys. Mike, thanks, Paul. Like Kramer, so full of it. Real Manchester accent. There we go. Great to put a face to a name. There we go. Lexi Luger, imagine having the opportunity to get Tesla at the bottom. BNGO is the next play at with that much potential. I'll take a look at that one. Not heard of that one. I'll see you at Rivian, says Logan Pizza. All right, here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. We got the scores already coming in. Here we go. 1 minute. Here we go. Got to be nice and quick. Church of Logic is down 2.32. Dexter Sickles is down 4%. So I feel quite good then, down 1.87. Am I going to win this afternoon? Looks like I'm winning so far. We've got 40 seconds to go. We've got earnings around the corner. Very, very exciting stuff indeed. Yay. Let's have a look. Let's get the scores in. We've now got 9 waiting and 7 likes. We've got... That's blimey, that's brilliant. Paul B is up with his crypto. Look at that. He's wiped the floor with us all this afternoon. Paul B is up 0.51%. There you go. With Elijah... wish Elijah happy birthday tomorrow. Hang on a minute. Let's blow the horn. Wish Elijah a happy birthday for tomorrow. Will you be here tomorrow, Elijah? Dexter Sickles, will you be here tomorrow? We've got to be really quick on the answer. Will you be here tomorrow? We'll celebrate it tomorrow. Happy birthday for tomorrow, Elijah. But you got to be here. We'll do it properly, right? Balloons and feathers and feathers? There's no feathers. There's just balloons. There's no feathers. Scrub the feathers. Right. It looks like Paul B is the winner. Let's hope Dexter Sickle says yes. We'll be here tomorrow. All right. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And here's the sound effects. Here we go. All right. Would somebody say to me, roll the credits? We have to roll those credits and get ready for the after hours. And it's Rivian earnings. Happy birthday, says Paul B. Down 0.76. Looks like Paul B is the winner. Roll the credits. Fantastic. Let's get ready for the after hours show. Fusion. It's all too late now. It will have to be next week. Next week. No way. We'll do it on Monday. We will celebrate on Monday. We're not going to miss. We would have done it today if you'd said. I'd have kicked Paul B off. You know, I'd have kicked him off because if we've got a birthday, you kick him out. Sorry, Paul, but it's Elijah's birthday. 7-year-old Elijah. We got to kick you off if we'd known, but we didn't know. Dexter Sickle didn't tell me. Red wine. Red wine. Oop, chicky, choom, All right, Arrival taking a beating this afternoon. Fusion 301. Let's go. Roll the credits. We got Rivian earnings in a few minutes. Get ready there right now. Let me give you the link. If you're not signed up for Rivian earnings, here is Rivian earnings. Rivian. Let me give you the link in the chat right now. Go there, leave a like. Roll the credits. Here we go. There's Rivian. And where's me roll the credits gone? No, good. Here we go. Roll the credits. I've got seconds to go. I've got to rush everything out the door now. Look at that. You ready? Here we go. Okay, thanks to the moderators. Mike, Restream bot. Paul B, you're still rubbish, mate. Subscriptions, Peter Wilson, Jacob Pogreba, and Logan Pizza became a member today. Absolutely awesome. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes' time for the Rivian earnings. We're going to listen in. Mike did his job. Paul B still slacking. Peter Wilson, very good. Jacob Pogreba and Logan Pizza. Wonderful stuff. Thanks for being members. I know, Paul B, you got scammed again. I don't know what's going on here. Riley got a cast off today. Riley, congratulations, you got your cast off. Did you get your dad to sign it? Did you get your dad to sign it? Why is space so hard with us? Because people don't know what the stock's all about. They're just trading in and out, scalp trading. Everything will change when the industry gets behind it. That's it. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes. Take care of yourselves and each other. Get ready for Rivian. Links in the chat. Bye-bye for now.